Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our channel and welcome to our kitchen. We're doing three parts of a wonderful holiday meal, and this is our third part. And what I've done today is 4 yams that I peeled and quartered. They're not cooked, they're just, raw. And I'm going to put this into a 10-inch Dutch oven that we've oiled. Spread that around evenly, as you can see. And then I've gone ahead in here, and this has got 1/4 of a cup of flour, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, real butter, a cup of chopped pecans, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle this on top evenly. And then we are going to take this out and bake this over briquettes at 350 for about an hour. Oh my goodness, does this sound yummy. We are going to have such a wonderful holiday meal this evening. I love the holidays. It is so much fun to get together with family and friends and bake your favorite dish. And this leans more on a dessert. So we are going to be serving this tonight as part of our dessert with a dollop of vanilla bean ice cream. Can't beat that, can you? And if you don't want that, you don't have to. Okay, great. We'll see you in a little bit. Well, our wonderful meal got done, and here's my wonderful Santa's helper. As you can see, we've had a wonderful, fun day today. We did a lot of cooking. We spent most of the day cooking, and boy, was it worth it. As you can see, our bread turned out beautiful. There's our dessert. Our turkey is awesome. If only you could smell it and taste it. Homemade cranberry sauce, and of course, our wonderful little glazed Brussels sprouts. We hope you've enjoyed this with us today. We certainly are having fun. And of course, we need a lot of friends and family to be showing up to help us with this. Just remember to please subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. We'll be doing other fun things during the holidays, so please remember every Tuesday we have a new one coming out. And here's to all of our viewers, family and friends. We're so thankful that you support us and enjoy our videos with us until we meet again. And just remember our motto is, great food shared with family and friends equals quality times. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
I guess I better have a sip.
And then I think you probably should have a taste.
Yes, I'm going to have a taste. I can't wait any longer. This turkey is absolutely awesome.
Happens to be your favorite thing too, turkey.
Turkey is my favorite. Of course, that wonderful glaze that we put on, that bourbon. My goodness. Wow, is that tender. My goodness. Of course, smoking it in applewood really makes a difference. Thank you. I'm surprised he's not eating, but his chance is coming later. Thank you.
Till we meet again.